Hey friends, let's see health benefits of dry fruits for kids. Right age of eating and their health benefits. Friends, selecting nutritious food for kids can be really tricky. Once your infants start eating solid food, it is important to figure out what you include in their diet. Dry fruits are basically fruits that have been drained of their water content, making them completely dehydrated. When is the right time to feed dry fruits to your kids? Let us see that. Introducing any new food to your baby's diet should be a slow and careful process. That being said, dry fruits are not an ideal first food for a baby who has just started eating solid food. Yes, initially semi-solid food have to be introduced to your newborn who are 6 months old now. So start with semi-solid food and later comes dry fruits. Friends, if you are planning to introduce dry fruits to your little one, consider some special feeding methods. Yes, if your baby is 7 to 8 months old or is around 1 year, the feeding method should be: number 1. Soak the dry fruits or nuts in water or milk overnight and blend them in a thick paste before feeding your child. Number 2. You can feed the paste with a spoon or mix it with milk. Friends, once your baby is around 2 years old or more, just soak the dry fruits in water and peel it before feeding your child. This way, your kid would get the essential nutrients and there would be a minimal chances of any after effects. Yes. So friends, soaking dry fruits in water makes it easier to digest, and if your child's digestive system is comparatively weak, you can feed them soaked dry fruits until the age of 10 or 11. Health benefits of dry fruits for kids. Number 1. Packed with micronutrients. Yes, nuts and dry fruits have a high content of micronutrients that would help in the proper growth of your child. Vitamin A, E, B3, potassium, etc. to keep hair, skin and internal parts strong. Number 2. Improves digestive health. Friends, dry fruits are full of good bacteria. These bacteria are responsible for keeping your digestive system healthy. So feeding dry fruits to baby regularly will help your baby's digestive system develop and function properly. Number 3. Reduce the chances of anemia. Yes, anemia can be caused when your child lacks iron in their body. Iron promotes healthier hemoglobin levels in the blood. To prevent the risk of anemia in your baby, feed them 2 almonds, half walnut and 1 fig daily. This will help reduce anemia. Yes. So dry fruits are very essential for babies. Number 4. Promotes eye and bone heal. Yes, dry fruits are full of important nutrients. Some of these nutrients are vitamin A, calcium and omega-3 fatty acids. These are present in abundance and play a big role in the overall growth and development of the baby. Yes, dry fruits are really full of nutrients. Dry fruits for babies can provide a nutritious option for their meals and snacks. These are excellent options, sources of protein, antioxidants, calcium and minerals that help a baby's overall growth and development. However, check for any allergic reaction from the potential dried fruit allergens and ensure to feed them in an easily chewable form, such as puree or powdered form, to prevent babies from choking on it. Yes, for small babies, it is important that they will not feel choking. Friends, if you like the video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.